how to change billing details on Airbnb. If you need to update the address, card details, or payment info on your account to avoid a booking error, keeping your billing profile current is essential. In this video, I will show you how to change your billing details on Airbnb. To begin, log in to your Airbnb account. In the top right corner, click the menu icon, the three horizontal lines next to your profile picture, and select Account Settings. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Payments. Once the page loads, you will see a tab for payment methods. If you need to update the billing address for an existing card, click the three dots or Edit button next to that specific card. You can then update the zip code and country to match your latest bank statement. If you have a completely new card, it is often easier to click Add Payment Method rather than editing an old one. Enter your new card number, expiration date, and the correct CVV. Ensure that the billing address you enter here is exactly what your bank has on file to prevent your next reservation from being declined. Once saved, you can click the three dots next to your new card and select Set as Default. If your transaction still fails after these changes, scroll to the bottom of the page, click Help Center, and select Contact Us to get live support for your billing issue. That's how you change billing details on Airbnb.